Hi guys, welcome back to Bubby's Big Idea. I'm going to show you about my robotic arm in my farm. So I will show you all about that. And don't forget, if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe. So see this blue line? That blue makes this robot arm move. Then yellow. Oh, wait, no, this is regular. Puts the robot arm in and out. Yellow makes it makes the robot arm go down and up. And then, last but not least, the green. So, just get the cop. I'm gonna lift it up. And I'll show you my farm tour. My farm. You guys ready? This is my farm. I have my snow pusher, my wagon, my truck, a semi with a Tonka semi with a Tonka excavator or bulldozer. Then I have another truck that's a semi. I have a forklift, I have a John Deere trailer. These two, this one and this one. I've won a few races. That one's just like my going out truck. That is my Case IH tractor, which I'll sometimes use on this digger. Then I got my dually tractor. I got my J&M grain cart with my tractor. These spouts can open. And there's little jacks. Stop, I can move it. And then I got a Kenworth grain cart. This one can open too. The jack can go down. That tractor. And then I have a corn head, a draper / bean, and the same thing. A combine, a gator, a tractor that pulls that, a mullein, John Deere mower, my workshop, dude that's, isn't this guy humongous? I don't know, it's really big. I got my workbench, there's a horse, then I have my tractor, and then I have my hunting truck, my garden that are pretty much empty, some guys, a ladder, chairs, break room / my house, a mullein, another mullein, the truck that pulls the trailer with the forklift. Here's all my animals. feeder, some cows, some pigs, some horses, a pig feeder, some more stuff over there. That's bedding that I haven't laid down, and then some more things over here. And back to me. And then I got my whole grain set up. Little grain bin with a little auger. That can come easy. This is my big one. You can take this off if you want to, and just easily put it back on. Same with those. And I got where I dump it, my grain. You think it can't open? Joke's on you. And I got another truck. Those are all Scooby snacks and stuff. That's my snowblower. That's my fork. That's my old combine. That's my dozer. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, watch more of my videos. Bye!